Hi guys, this is Jillian's mom John, and yes, I'm stalking our mail lady. This is so exciting. They're here, they're here, they're here. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. And today I got my packages. So I have 5 packages, but 4 of them are plants. One is plant related. And also I saw Pam's Pretty Plants hashtag called the springplantuber, and she's tagging all of us, so I decided why not do it as I unbox this plant mails today. So let's check out what I got. So I'm going to be answering the questions and at the same time try to talk about the plants that I got from the mail. So the first question was, have you started spring cleaning or repotting yet? Spring cleaning maybe, because I did clean up our plant corner, like I vacuumed it and rearranged. But repotting, I actually started it in December because I repotted my plants in soil into passive hydro. So in a way I kind of did already, but there's still some left to be done. So, and this package is mainly is for, I got this from a Facebook group called Time to Purge and Splurge. And just a warning, if you're gonna join that group, please join with caution, because you just see what just happened to me. I just joined them last week, and this is where we're at today. Hope I don't find myself. This one is from Arizona. Stay until the end of the video to see some pictures of the plants that I got. I'm so excited! There's 10 questions, so I'm gonna do 2 questions per box. I'm gonna open this one. Lots of, looks like the stuffing for teddy bears. This one, I actually got this from Instagram, not from Facebook group page. And it's the it's the Hoya Carnosa Gray Ghost or Nova Ghost. Mama, tingnan mo. Sana. So, here's the...
So here's another good quote that's worth listening to.
Sean, I am recording. You're gonna be recorded.
Where it's up to Mama. There was no greater natural advantage in life than having an enemy overestimate your flaws.
Put this
Take a
here.
Donald Trump.
Okay, on to the next box. And the third question, what, if any, plants did you lose this winter? Okay. I think I lost maybe 3. One is the Cystosperma johnstonii, which I ordered again and I'm trying. And then the Ficus deltoides, I ordered another one and I'm trying it again. And then What else died for me? Oh, philodendron esmeraldense. So that didn't make it. Yeah. So those three. This one's from the Facebook group. Hard to open. And then here, the fourth question, did you order plants in the mail over winter? If so, how they do? Yes, I did. Well, those were the one that died. That's one of them that I ordered over the winter. So that one's dead. But most of the Hoyas are ordered during the winter are doing really well. And yeah. So I guess it depends. And if you don't get lazy as well. So this box contains 2 plants. I actually forgot what I ordered. Oops. That one. Maybe I'll open this one first. I think this one's a cutting. No, it's not cutting. It's the Eskimo, the Hoya Dark Eskimo. I think that's what it's called, but I'll just type in the name. Yeah, so most of these plants are Hoyas. We'll just put the seed. Whoa! Don't fall. Stand up. I'm just gonna do this. It's Hoya rotundifolia. I love this thing. Maybe I'll put this here together. To the next box. And 5th question, what are the next plant or plant related purchases on your wish list? And will you get them this spring? Plant on my wish list, I want to get the philodendron pastazanum, and then the 3 Hoya caryi varieties that I spoke about during my other video on Valentine's Day. And what else? I think anything Hoya, anything that is veiny and it's a Hoya. Yeah, that's on my wish list right now. And plant related products, maybe a wall planter that's suitable for passive hydro. And if I'm gonna order it this spring, most likely I will. Oh, and yeah, I think I'm even contemplating whether to change my plant collection to Hoyas, like either sell my philodendrons and anthuriums or trade it for some Hoyas that I don't have yet. We shall see what happens. guys too. This is a Hoya sunrise cutting. That's very generous of her. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nodes. I'll put this here. And my Hoya, what do you call this? I think this is a methyl splash. Can you put it here? And then number 6. Did you have any life-saving tricks or tools that helped your plants survive winter? Passive hydro and grow light and humidifier. I think I wanna save this one for last because this one is in my wish list. So we're gonna go on this other box. And while I do this, I'm gonna try to multitask. Do you put your household outside for the summer? Will you this year? No, I don't put my houseplants outside for summer. I did last year, the fiddle leaf fig, and it burnt its leaves. And also I got paranoid whether I brought some pests in with it. But yeah, so no, and I'm not gonna do it again. Well, the fiddle leaf fig is at my sister's house now. It's way happier there. So nope, they're all staying inside with me. So this plant-related package, it's actually a grow pot. It's fabric, and it can be used with soil or leca. And you actually just have another pot. You can put water and it wicks up. Well, at least for passive hydro, it wicks up the moisture. With soil, you water the same thing as you would water a soil in a regular pot, but it promotes aeration because it is fabric, so air can pass through and promote oxygenation to the roots. So better for your plants. So that's that. And what else? Question number 8. Did you have any pest issues over winter? And if so, did you conquer it? Spider mites. That's what I dealt with, and thrips on my Monstera alboborsigiana variegata. Yes, thank God I conquered it because they turn your leaves brown, and white and brown doesn't look nice together, and at the same time, it's not good for your plants. And spider mites, I have a fry deck, so yeah, that's a spider mite magnet. And then at the moment, my Anthurium veitchii, or the king Anthurium, and my Baccheri, I just saw some thrips on them, so I'm treating them right now. Okay, on to the last box. And 9th question. Show one plant that thrived all winter. I'm gonna insert a video or a picture for that. One plant, so yeah, we shall see which plant it is. And this is one of my wish list plants, so I'm saving it for last. And again, I got it from Facebook group called Time to Purge and Splurge. So with that thing, it's actually they post plants that they want to purge out, and whoever posted sold first, that's the plant. And I did with this one. And also, I think the reason why I want to switch to my collection, or like give me an idea to switch my collection to Hoyas, because they're smaller. I know that they can get bigger, but there's so much variety of them, so much more character. We shall see. Mama, tingnan mo. Hoya maniparensis. It's finally mine. It's finally mine. I'm speechless. So here are my plant mail this week, because I think I still have a few coming next, either end of this week or next week. But yeah, I'm so happy. Yeah. And then okay, last question for that springplantuber, for the hashtag springplantuber. Show one plant you're most excited to see spring growth on. Okay, I'll insert one non-Hoya plant, but yeah, this. Especially this two. Or this one. I don't know. Yeah. I can't decide. I'm happy. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please comment it down below. And also, give me suggestions on how to take care of these Hoyas if you have any. But eventually, I'm all gonna convert them to passive hydro, because at the moment, all of my Hoyas are in passive hydro except for the ones that are hanging. I still yet to figure out how to do that. But yes, my ghost and my Boniferensis, my rotundifolia, my black Eskimo, my Mathilde splash, and my Hoya sunrise, and of course my felt bags here. Again, thank you Pam's pretty. Thank you Pam's Pretty Plants for tagging us on this springplantuber hashtag. And yes, may you always be blessed. Ganda.